viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Flipaclip to draw different drawings. Basically the Flipaclip is an animation app in which you draw scene to scene videos, basically 12 frames a second, and then you can make a video. But in this video, basically because I am learning how to draw, and I'm also going to show you how you can draw a scene or basically an image or your favorite anime character in Flipaclip. So I'm going to give you a tutorial of how you can use Flipaclip. So first of all, this is the Flipaclip. So you can find this on Play Store and you can download it. So this is how it opens, and next I'll show landscape mode, so it will be easier for you to understand. So this is the interface basically of the Flipaclip. So first of all, you have to try on a new file, the plus icon in the middle, and there are many settings in Flipaclip that are very useful. So here you can see you can select the format, the size of your video or picture, whatever you are gonna draw. So this is already available 180p US for YouTube, 720 pixels Instagram, and you can see all the formats are available. So I'm gonna use YouTube because I'm basically working on YouTube. So nextly, you can also change frames per second if you're gonna make a video. Today I'm gonna show you the tools of the Flipaclip app. So if you're gonna make a video, then you can change frames per second from here. If you are a basic animator, so you can use 4 to 5 frames or 6 frames, that's just fine, not that bad. But if you are a pro one, so you can use 12, or even if you are a much better person, then you can use 24 frames per second. So nextly, what else you can do is you can choose a custom background if you have some, or if you gonna there are some pre-saved backgrounds available in Flipaclip, which are these ones. You can choose any of them. I'm gonna use plain white right now, so this is already selected. And nextly, you have to name your project, whatever you wanna name it. I'm gonna name it fun because we are having fun. So this is done, and then you can create and start your project. So now I'm gonna tell you what these tools do in the this app. So there are many useful and awesome tools in Flipaclip which are very perfect for animation. So another very useful thing that should be you have is, if you have a drawing pad, then it's better. If you haven't got a drawing pad, then I prefer that you would buy Samsung Galaxy Notes, because they already have S Pen in them, which is very useful for drawing. So I already have an S Pen, I'm gonna use it. First of all, the most basic tool, which is our brush. Here you can see this is our brush, and these are different types of brush. Some of them are only available in Pro, but mostly the brushes that are used in normal cases are all free in this app. So you can see basically I just use the pen, this first pen available, because it is alright to draw. And you can also change the size from here. See, this is the basic line which is used, and then you can also increase the line as you want. So you can also change the color. Here you can see we have all the color settings. There are a lot of very cool color settings. And then next to it, click it again, and here is the eraser. Same settings for the eraser. You can use different types of eraser, but usually simple eraser is all good, because you just need to erase things. You can change the size. Here you go. You can also make it smaller, whatever you want. So now there are some pretty cool tools that aren't available in many apps for drawing. So now I'm gonna show you the advanced tools that are very useful in Flipaclip. So first of all, let's draw anything. So suppose we are drawing a face. Here you go. So here you go. So now you have I've basically drawn a face. But what's a very useful and good tool in Flipaclip is this. This is called lasso tools. It is also available in all the Pro apps, Photoshop and everything else, but to have it in a mobile app like this is very useful. So here you can see I have selected it with the lasso tool, and now what I can do is I can resize it. I can change its shape this way. I can also skew it. So you know what skew, like this. This is a very useful thing. And then I can change its directions from left to right, up, down. And another very useful thing is that it has pivot point settings. So this is your pivot point. You can rotate your picture. Basically what the pivot point is used for is, if you have hands or these kinds of things on the character, you can move them with the help of this. If I change pivot point from here, I can rotate them like this. So you can wave a character or something else like this. So this is called the lasso tool. Then you have the filling tool, which is a filling bucket, is available in everything like this. It works. And another very useful thing in Flipaclip is this thing, reverse button, undo button. This is very useful thing when you are editor and you are drawing, because if I made a mistake like this, so I can undo it. So this is very useful thing. and it is a very advanced tool that is available in Flipaclip, and I really like it. So other than that, now this is a text tool. This is just a simple thing. You can add text whatever you want, like this here. You can insert it. You want to delete it, you can delete it. So this is also a very useful thing. So now I'm gonna show you a very cool tool in Flipaclip that I really like. So let me go back, or simply I can erase it. Now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite tools in Flipaclip, due to which I'm using it. This tool. This is the scale tool, or I don't know what they call it, but it has different types of scales and settings. So with this straight line settings, you can draw different types of lines. See, you can draw wherever you want, change the angles and degrees. Once you set the pattern of the line, you can draw wherever on the screen. The line will be same. So if I get it straight, a 90-degree line, I can go like this. Is very useful thing. And next to it, then we have the circle tool. So next you have the circle tool. This is the basic tool. You can draw every kind of circle. You can also change the shape like this, draw an ellipse or whatever you want. This is also a very useful tool which can be used to draw eyes and various stuff. Then you have the square tool. You can draw different kind of squares like this. And then after that, this is the most useful tool that I have found in this app. I found it very useful because it is a very interesting tool to draw characters. So this tool, basically this is a duplicate tool or clone tool. So what you can do is, if you draw anything on this side, the similar thing appears on the other side as well. So if I want to draw eyes, so I don't have to find the center myself. I just get this to the center and draw on one side, and here I have got the eye on the other side as well. So how you can draw is, basically I am also a beginner, so I'm not very good at drawing, but still I can draw some nice drawings. So right now it's just a tutorial video, so I'm not gonna draw anything, but I'm just gonna show you that how you can do it. See, here you go. Let's give him some hairs, and there are the ears and whatever. So this is how you can use this app. So viewers, this was a tutorial of the Flipaclip. This is a very exciting app. There are other apps as well, but I preferred this app for beginners because it is very useful. And I've drawn a lot of drawings in Flipaclip. Let me show you. Where is the drawing? Here you can see I've drawn Luffy in different colors. I've drawn Sukuna. This is not a very good one. Then I've drawn Gon, Lloyd Forger, Goku from Dragon Ball Z, Gojo, and Anya as well. So this is Anya. So I've drawn many drawings and I'm still going on. I'm not yet animating video clips, but I am drawing drawings, and this is a very awesome tool for animation as well as drawing. So I hope you like the review and you like the tool as well. So subscribe if you like it, and next one I'm gonna just make the videos of how to draw different characters from now on. So you can join me if you want to learn how to draw different characters in Flipaclip. So thank you for watching.